Hi everyone! I made my movie on a little project I have going this summer between the kitchen and the back garden, and that's growing romaine lettuce from the cut-off ends. One of my friends told me that you can actually grow new lettuce from the cut-off end that you normally throw away, and I was fascinated by that. Here I am, a biology teacher, and I never knew that. So I decided I'd try it this summer. And I'm using a program called Screencast-O-Matic to record everything that's on my screen. I've used it for years. It automatically uploads to YouTube, and I use YouTube channel to flip my classroom for biology. The free version allows for a 15-minute recording, so it just fits my needs for everything I kind of need here. So let's go back to my project. So I just start with some romaine lettuce that I just buy from the store, coming in a package, and I usually cut up about 1 romaine lettuce per day to make salads. And when I cut off, that leaves the end piece. And you can see, I'm trying to show you from the down here that it's kind of a straight cut. It's a flat cut. If you look at it from the side, you can see it's a really flat, even cut. If I place these then in about 1 inch of water and just leave it on my sunny kitchen counter. After about 2 days, what you start to see is some of the raised growth in portions of this cut off end of romaine lettuce. If you look at it from the side, you can just start to see it raising above that cleanly cut off end. After 4 days, you see more growth, and a lot of it is in the middle. That's where you see the tallest growth. You can see from the side here, you can really see that middle growth. And you can even see roots beginning to form. Can you see this little root here? And there's one there, and there's one there. And that's after just, 4, maybe 5 days in the water. After about a week, the new growth is 1 inch to 2 inches tall, all from the middle. And that time, it's time to plant it in the soil. So I put it in the soil in the backyard. And I have several of these planted in my little garden. But I do have one big worry: pests. I have a huge snail problem in my backyard. They eat a lot of my flowers, and I thought as soon as I put this lettuce in the ground, the snails would eat it the first night. And I haven't seen any nibbling on it. It's all in pretty good shape, and it's been out there for about 2 weeks. I also worry about rabbits. There's this bunny that appears in my yard, and it has for a couple years. I don't know if it's somebody's pet that's just going on a walk, or if it's a wild rabbit, but I thought if that rabbit finds my lettuce, it's going to have a really good meal, and I'll have no lettuce. But so far, I've had no problem from the snails and no problem from the bunnies. So I'm looking forward to growing an entire salad in my backyard. I'm growing the lettuce. I've always grown tomatoes, and I don't know, at this rate, it may take another month or two before I actually get enough for a salad, but I'm willing to keep trying. So that's all for today.